That's one of the parents waiting for me to leave. He's up in that pine tree somewhere. He's getting tired of me. He's like, would you leave already? I need to get to my kids. All right. I saw something fly. It's in this tree here. Gonna fly down any second. Fly down any second. Going to that. Oh, we just went. There it is. There it is. This one. So, my resident bird is doing fine in the flower pot. I peeked in there and it ran out and was cussing at me, but it jumped back in with some food. So I think we got a whole family in there now. That's so, and I can watch them from here and they not noticing me. I hope anyway. Okay, so we're gonna keep we'll do an update on these little critters and see how they're doing. We just entered Bloomingdale.